of the insulation up in the upper cabinet area in the cab. So I was going to see if he has any solid chunks I can use. Beautiful day today. It's not too hot. Mid to high 80s maybe. I think it's more like mid 80s, but yeah, not bad, not bad. Alright, somebody already came and got their scrap bin for recycling, so I missed out on getting the scrap. And chunks that big are super expensive, so I didn't try getting anything from their stock. So I will just have to use the 2 pieces I already have and maybe find a brick or something. I think there's a couple bricks I can use. A couple paving stones, so I'll figure something else out. Gotta be pinching pennies this month as much as I can. Scrap can be a pretty good deal. You can get a pretty good deal on scrap sometimes, but yeah, their bin is empty. So alright, got a bunch of food for 86 bucks. Food prices must be going down. I haven't been paying attention. I just get tunnel vision when I go shopping. I just grab what I need and get out. But yeah, 86 bucks, I got quite a bit. Happy with that. I even picked up a bag of potatoes and onions. And then I got my normal carrots and broccoli that I could throw in and make a stew to help save some money. Got some ground beef for that stew. Last 2 times I made stew, it was chicken stew. So I'm gonna make some beef stew. Got some feel-good food. Some snack type food. Try not to do this too often, but yeah, chicken and biscuit. I like these. Along with some smoked oysters and white American cheese. It's one of my favorite snacks. Stopped at Walmart, got some rubbing alcohol so I can make my hand sanitizer. Also picked up a pack of padded envelopes. I'm going to start selling stickers soon, and I like the idea of having tracking with everything, so I need a big enough envelope to be able to do that. Pretty sure this will allow me to do that. And there's a good deal, $5.81. Saved $3.87. Kind of big for just one sticker, so that's fine because I'm going to start doing sticker packs instead of just selling a single sticker at a time. I'll put a few stickers together as a pack. I only got 2 stickers right now, but I'm gonna make a 3rd sticker. I think I want to make a bumper sticker. I'll have to make sure that fits in here. Make sure it's not too long, but I got a bumper sticker I'd like to make, or some kind of design. I just always wanted to make a bumper sticker, so I'm gonna make a bumper sticker. And also, of course, need to make a new patches sticker when we have the 2.0 finished, and we'll have a new sticker for patches. So a way to help out the channel. Selling some stickers. That'll be sometime in the future. Not really ready for that right now. So yeah, stocked up on food. Let's head back and get back to work. Figure out what I can use for some weights. Oh, we got an RV camper up here, full timer. Maybe, might just be getting groceries, but love seeing RVs in the parking lot. Brings back memories. I yearn for it. I cannot wait to get back to it. It'll be a much better adventure this time too, instead of just cycling through the same parking lots. Oh boy, that exhaust leak is just horrible. I must have blown out all of my manifold gasket. My exhaust gasket. Exhaust manifold gasket, those are some cool trucks. So yes, let's get back. Let's get the RV finished ASAP so we can get back on the road. seeing those giant towers of extra large hay bales. Big old stacks of hay. Alright, Adam, also known as Park, also known as IARTGVC on the Discord. Thank you very much for the first purchase of Patches Pieces. He bought number 9. Right off the bat, I don't even have the video up yet. He was following me on eBay, I guess. So that's awesome. Thank you very much, buddy. Had a learning experience with this thermal printer. The labels are underneath a shelf here, and I couldn't see that they were covered in dust. The printer sucked up a bunch of dust and it was printing horribly, and I was like, uh-oh. But I found out that the dust will block the thermal print head, so I just had to take it apart and clean it really good. So now it's looking about 99%, not really good, but I'm sure that'll still work. It's looking about the same as other packages I've gotten with a print label, so I think that's good to go. So that was fun, printing out a label for the first package sold on eBay. I've sold stickers before, but they usually just go in a stamped envelope. So thank you very much, Adam. Once again, I'll get this on your package and get that to the post office then the next day or so. We're gonna see if we get a few more packages coming in, so I'm not going up and down the hill. That'd be a lot of gas. Alright, just sold Patches piece number 1. Big thanks to Creative Change Enterprises. Buyer says, Nathan, I wanted to be the first to show you my support and genuine desire to see you succeed in all your endeavors. May you be overwhelmingly blessed. Well, thank you so very much, and thank you for supporting the channel. Oh, you got your name right here. It says JB. Your first name is abbreviated, so I won't shout out your last name. I'll just say JB. Thank you so much, JB, for helping out the channel. And bless you too, buddy. Thank you. Alright, Ted M. Thank you very much for buying Patches piece number 2. Making that beef stew with carrots, broccoli. Put a whole onion in there. About 3 small potatoes, medium potatoes, and a bunch of beef. Smelling good. That'll last me a few days, if not more. Alright, packages just got shipped out. Thank you so much, supporters who bought a piece of Patches and helped out with the rebuild. Still got a few left, so if anybody else wants to help out and support the channel, check out the links below. The eBay will be down in the description from now on. So I just drove here locally to a post office and got those shipped. Also asked a couple questions. They also said if I want to make a habit out of it, let them know and they can set me up as a priority shipper. And I can just drop them off around back with the rest of the bulk mail that shows up. And said something like, said something about maybe setting up an account. I'm not sure, but anyway, there's a option to get a little more professional with that situation. Found out I'm not supposed to leave any labels on there whatsoever for like the hazardous materials. I tried just crossing, there's like an aerosol label. I just tried crossing that out and he said no, it's got to come off completely. So there's a little bit to learn this whole thing with eBay and shipping and packaging. It went pretty good. I enjoyed the whole process. Try and sell a few more things on there. We'll start with just the merch, the Class A Living merch, stickers, patches, pieces if anyone else is interested, maybe some RV parts, and eventually extra tools and stuff. So got a great deal on some safety goggles. We'll probably sell those at some point. So check the links below. And thank you again, everybody who helped out with the rebuild here. I'll see you in the next video.